Can artificial intelligence be creative? And if so, how can we harness this creativity? These questions might seem like they belong in a science fiction novel, but they're becoming increasingly relevant in our day-to-day lives. Creativity, the ability to generate and implement new and valuable ideas, is a crucial skill in countless fields, from arts and literature to business and science. Now imagine if we could amplify this creativity with the power of artificial intelligence. This is not a far-fetched idea anymore. It's happening right here, right now. AI tools are evolving at a rapid pace, offering exciting new avenues for creative expression and problem-solving. One such tool is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. This AI model is not just a tool for generating text. It's a creative partner that can help you brainstorm, ideate, and explore new territories of your imagination. Today we delve into a fascinating AI tool called ChatGPT and how it can unlock your creative potential. Let's take a step back and journey through the timeline of creativity and AI. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for a long time. However, its marriage with creativity is a relatively recent phenomenon. The 1950s marked the birth of AI with Alan Turing's seminal paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. Fast forward to the 1990s, and we see the first glimpses of AI stepping into the creative realm with David Cope's Experiments in Musical Intelligence, a program that could compose music in the style of classical composers. Fast forward to the present, AI's role in creativity has expanded exponentially. From creating artworks that have been auctioned for hundreds of thousands of dollars, to writing scripts for films and TV shows, AI is making waves in the creative world. We also see AI being used in advertising, marketing, and even fashion design. Companies like Google and Adobe are leveraging AI for creative tasks, transforming the way we create and consume art and media. But it's not just about AI creating on its own, it's also about AI augmenting human creativity. This is where tools like ChatGPT come in. They act as a creative partner, enhancing our abilities to generate new ideas and solutions. In the next scene, we'll dive deeper into one such tool, ChatGPT, and explore how it can unlock your creative potential. From Turing to ChatGPT, the journey of AI and creativity has been fascinating, and we're just getting started. Before we delve deeper into the workings of ChatGPT, let's take a brief detour into its origin story and evolution. The inception of ChatGPT was rooted in the vision of OpenAI, a research organization committed to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. The first version, GPT-1, was introduced in 2018 as a large-scale, unsupervised language model that uses contextual clues to predict the next word in a sentence. But it was just the beginning. In 2019, OpenAI introduced GPT-2. This iteration was significantly larger and more powerful. It showcased the ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant sentences by predicting subsequent words. It could even write creative fiction and answer factual questions. The AI community was taken aback by its capabilities, but OpenAI had bigger plans. Fast forward to 2020, and the world was introduced to GPT-3, the most powerful version yet. With 175 billion machine learning parameters, GPT-3 was capable of tasks that once seemed impossible. It could translate languages, write essays, summarize lengthy documents, and even generate Python code. And yes, it could brainstorm with you, stir your imagination, and help you create. OpenAI then customized GPT-3 into a more focused application, ChatGPT, the AI we're focusing on today. It was fine-tuned for human-like conversations, making it an excellent partner for creative brainstorming. From generating story ideas to suggesting business strategies, ChatGPT has truly become a creative force to be reckoned with. As we move forward, it's crucial to remember that AI, including ChatGPT, is not here to replace human creativity, but to augment it, to provide us with tools that can help us push the boundaries of what we can imagine and create. Now that we've traced the journey of ChatGPT, let's dive deeper into understanding its capabilities and how it can be leveraged in the realm of creativity. Having traced the evolution of ChatGPT and explored its capabilities, it's now time to see this creative AI partner in action. Our journey begins in the world of fiction writing. Author Jamie Heidel used ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for her horror story. She fed the AI keywords and themes, and in return, ChatGPT provided her with a chilling premise involving a haunted mirror and a vengeful spirit. The AI not only helped Heidel overcome her writer's block, but also added a unique twist to her story. Next, we move to the realm of design. Freelance graphic designer Alex Chen leveraged ChatGPT to generate innovative design ideas for a client's brand logo. By inputting the brand's core values and target audience, Chen received a plethora of design concepts from ChatGPT, one of which became the foundation of the final design. ChatGPT thus became an invaluable part of Chen's design process. Now let's venture into the world of business strategy. A startup used ChatGPT to brainstorm marketing strategies for their new product. The AI suggested a unique influencer marketing campaign using micro-influencers in their niche, a strategy the startup hadn't considered before. This AI-powered brainstorming session not only provided a fresh perspective, but also led to a successful product launch. These real-world examples underscore the versatility and potential of ChatGPT as a creative partner. Whether it's writing, design, business strategy, or any creative endeavor, ChatGPT can help you generate unique ideas, overcome creative roadblocks, and push the boundaries of your creativity. As we continue to understand and embrace AI in creativity, the possibilities seem limitless. So let's dive deeper into how we can leverage ChatGPT in our creative processes. Having seen ChatGPT's versatile capabilities in real-world scenarios, we find ourselves on the brink of an exciting frontier. A future where AI tools like ChatGPT could play an even bigger role in our creative processes. We can envision a world where AI will not just be a brainstorming partner, but an active participant in the creative process. Imagine an AI that can co-write a screenplay with you, suggesting plot twists, crafting dialogues, and even offering cinematographic ideas. AI could also play a significant role in the world of design, helping artists create innovative design concepts and even generating artworks. In the business world, AI could be a game changer, providing fresh perspectives on market trends and helping strategize effective business plans. However, as with any technological advancement, this future comes with its own set of challenges. One such challenge is the ethical consideration. How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly in the creative process? How do we balance the need for innovation with respect for individual creativity? Another concern is the potential for AI to replace human creativity. Could AI ever match the depth of human emotion that often forms the basis of great art? Or would it merely mimic human creativity without truly understanding it? These are questions that we must grapple with as we continue to explore the potential of AI in creativity. Nevertheless, the future of AI in creativity looks promising. As we learn to harness AI's potential while addressing its challenges, we might just be ushering in a new era of creativity. An era where AI and humans work together, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the creative realm. In the next segment, we will delve deeper into understanding ChatGPT and how we can leverage it in our creative processes. Before we delve deeper into understanding ChatGPT, let's take a pause and reflect on our journey so far. We've explored the history and trends of AI and creativity, seen real-world examples, and examined the potential and challenges of AI creativity tools like ChatGPT. We've envisioned a future where AI can be an active participant in the creative process, co-writing screenplays, generating innovative design concepts, and offering fresh perspectives on market trends. And yet, we've also acknowledged the ethical considerations and the potential impact on human creativity. As we forge ahead, we must grapple with these questions and ensure that AI is used responsibly in our creative endeavors. But remember, the future of AI and creativity is not just about challenges, it's also filled with immense potential. And that potential can only be realized if we, the creators, are willing to explore, experiment, and embrace these AI tools. So here's our call to action for you. Dive into the world of AI creativity. Explore tools like ChatGPT, use them in your creative projects. See for yourself how they can amplify your creative process. Remember, these tools are not here to replace us. They're here to augment our capabilities, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to help us create like never before. So let's take that leap, and let's create the future of creativity together. Now let's get back to our journey and understand more about ChatGPT and how we can leverage it in our creative processes. Imagine having a creative partner who never tires, never needs a break, and is always ready to brainstorm with you. Welcome to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-training Transformer, is an artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI. It's a language model that has been trained on a vast range of internet text. But don't let the jargon fool you. Simply put, it's like having a digital companion that can generate human-like text based on the prompts you give it. So how does ChatGPT work? Picture a maze of interconnected ideas, topics, and themes. When you provide a prompt, ChatGPT embarks on a journey through this maze, picking up relevant pieces of information and piecing them together to form a coherent and creative response. It's like an improvisational actor who receives an audience suggestion and spins an entire scene out of it. What's more, ChatGPT is not just about regurgitating information. It's also about offering fresh and creative perspectives. It's like having a brainstorming session with a partner who has read almost everything on the internet. Imagine this. You're working on a science fiction story, and you're stuck on creating a futuristic gadget. You turn to ChatGPT, type in your dilemma, and voila! In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT generates a list of innovative gadget ideas, from a teleportation watch to an AI-powered personal assistant. It's your own personal idea factory, ready to churn out creative solutions at a moment's notice. But it's not just about fiction writing. Whether you're drafting a business proposal, thinking of a new marketing campaign, or even composing a song, ChatGPT can help generate initial ideas, provide suggestions, and even help you refine your work. It's like having an infinite number of creative professionals at your disposal, all rolled into one. ChatGPT is more than just a tool. It's a partner that helps you explore the uncharted territories of your imagination and bring your creative vision to life. From writing prompts to business concepts, ChatGPT is your go-to AI-powered creative partner. Ever hit a creative roadblock? ChatGPT is here to help. Let's dive into some practical examples of how ChatGPT can act as a catalyst for your brainstorming sessions and ideation process. Imagine you're a writer, sitting in front of a blank page, the cursor blinking expectantly. You type in a vague concept or a basic plot idea into ChatGPT, and voila! It generates a variety of potential storylines, character details, and intriguing twists, sparking your imagination and kickstarting your writing process. But it's not just writers who benefit. Entrepreneurs, marketers, educators, and professionals across various fields can utilize this AI tool for innovative brainstorming. For instance, a marketing team can feed ChatGPT with a product feature or a target demographic, and it can generate a plethora of unique campaign ideas or catchy taglines. Let's take a look at some real-world case studies. Consider the story of a tech startup that used ChatGPT to brainstorm potential names for their new app. They fed the AI with the app's features and target audience, and ChatGPT spewed out a list of catchy, relevant names, one of which eventually became the brand's identity. Or take the case of a student who utilized ChatGPT to generate ideas for a school project on sustainable solutions. The AI provided a range of innovative and feasible ideas, which not only impressed her teachers, but also won her a regional science fair. Think of ChatGPT as a round-the-clock, never-tiring, always-ready brainstorming partner. It doesn't judge, it doesn't get fatigued, and it certainly doesn't run out of ideas. This AI tool can help you see past the obvious, challenge the norms, and venture into the realm of the extraordinary. Remember, the goal isn't to rely solely on ChatGPT for creativity, but rather to use it as a springboard for your own unique ideas. It's about harnessing the power of AI to unlock your inherent creative potential. ChatGPT is not just a tool, but a collaborator in your creative journey. Creativity is not just about ideas, it's also about solving problems. Indeed, a large part of the creative process is figuring out how to navigate challenges in innovative ways. This is where ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI, steps in as a powerful problem-solving partner. Imagine you're an entrepreneur, brainstorming ways to optimize your business operations. You pose a question to ChatGPT, and within seconds, it generates several viable solutions for you to consider, each unique and thought-provoking. This is no mere daydream. It's a reality for countless professionals who have integrated AI into their work. ChatGPT doesn't just generate ideas, it helps you sift through the complexities of a problem. It can break down issues into manageable parts, allowing you to tackle each piece systematically. It's like having a personal consultant on hand, ready to help whenever you encounter a roadblock. But the magic of ChatGPT extends beyond individual problem solving. It can also be a powerful tool for collaboration. Imagine a team of designers, engineers, or writers, each with their unique perspectives and ideas. By feeding these diverse ideas into ChatGPT, they can create a melting pot of creativity. ChatGPT can help synthesize these ideas, identifying patterns and connections that may not be immediately obvious, and thus facilitating a richer, more productive discussion. Consider the story of a tech startup that used ChatGPT to streamline their product design process. They fed the AI various design concepts from their team, and ChatGPT helped them identify common themes and consolidate their ideas into a unified, innovative product vision. It's a testament to how AI can enhance human creativity, rather than replace it. In essence, ChatGPT is more than a tool. It's a creative companion. It amplifies your problem-solving capacity and fosters collaboration, making it an invaluable asset in any creative endeavor. But remember, the power of AI is best harnessed when coupled with human insight and intuition. So, whether you're a lone creative looking to overcome a roadblock or a team seeking to blend diverse ideas, ChatGPT is ready to assist. With ChatGPT, you're never alone in your problem-solving journey. Are we witnessing a new era of creativity powered by artificial intelligence? As we delve deeper into the 21st century, it's becoming increasingly clear that AI is not just a tool for automation or data analysis. It's a creative partner, a collaborator, and a source of inspiration. AI creativity tools like ChatGPT are changing the landscape of ideation, problem-solving, and creation. They're capable of generating ideas and content that humans might not think of, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in creative fields. They can help us break free from our cognitive biases, encouraging us to think outside the box and explore new perspectives. But what does the future hold for AI creativity? The possibilities are virtually limitless. We might see AI tools becoming more intuitive and interactive, understanding and responding to our creative needs in real time. They could become our virtual brainstorming partners, offering a wealth of ideas and solutions at the click of a button. They could help us design innovative products, write compelling stories, or create beautiful works of art. Yet, as with any transformative technology, AI creativity brings its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. How do we ensure that AI-generated content is used responsibly and ethically? How do we navigate issues of copyright and originality? And how do we strike a balance between human creativity and AI-assisted creation? The key lies in viewing AI not as a replacement for human creativity, but as an enhancer. It's a tool that can amplify our creative capabilities, allowing us to reach new heights of innovation and expression. And just like any tool, it's up to us to use it responsibly, ethically, and thoughtfully. In the future, we might also see more collaboration between humans and AI in the creative process. We could have AI-assisted brainstorming sessions, where humans and AI work together to generate ideas. Or we might see more hybrid creations, where humans and AI collaborate to produce a final product. As we step into the future, AI like ChatGPT will continue to redefine creativity. The potential is immense and the journey is just beginning. Together, we can shape the future of creativity and unlock a world of possibilities. The creative possibilities with ChatGPT are endless. We've journeyed through the impressive capabilities of ChatGPT, from its role as a brainstorming partner to its potential in creative ideation and problem-solving. We've also looked at how it can foster collaborative creativity and be integrated into education. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to unlock limitless creative potential. The AI doesn't just generate content, it can help you see things from a fresh perspective, spark new ideas, and take your creativity to new heights. So why not give it a try? Explore the world of AI-assisted creativity with ChatGPT. And when you do, we want to hear about it. Share your experiences, your projects, your creative journeys. Let us know how ChatGPT has fueled your creative endeavors. Join us in this creative revolution. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Brainiacata for more insightful videos like this one.